Hi everyone, it's finally Friday and I'm done with work, but my dresser got delivered, so we will be building that tonight. And I also got my J. Crew shoes, and I wish I would have gone a half size because this fit, but like a little bit too perfect, you know what I mean? But yeah, let's go get my package, figure out how I'm gonna bring that up. Okay guys, the furniture is in. Very heavy, very heavy. It is the next day, Saturday, and it's currently like 3 p.m. I could not work on that stupid dresser. Yesterday I was too tired. It was just a lot. I woke up this morning with the motivation and energy to do it, so I got it done this morning. I literally woke up at like 6 a.m. But I love how the dresser turned out. Better quality than IKEA in certain ways, not so great in other ways. More complicated than IKEA. I think I mentioned that yesterday. It was a lot, but it looks really good. I'll show you guys how it looks because I am obsessed. Here's a dresser. It fit perfect. It does make my room look a little bit crowded, but it is okay. I already filled everything up. They're not that deep, as you can see, but everything that I have fit, so I'm excited about that. And then I just need to get rid of this. I have a place to put those, but overall I think it looks really good. Sephora package. There's literally just one thing in here. Brown lipstick. Why is it in a box? I don't know, because this is the only thing in there. It is a Refi Lip Sculpt Crayon in the color Fawn. I'm so excited about this. You have no idea. That's what I like this one, because it comes with the gloss. Let's go to the bathroom. This microphone is a little bit too heavy, but I need better lighting than that. I think this color is like slightly too similar to my lip color. I'm literally doing this blind. I can't see shit. That was pretty good actually. It's not super pigmented on my lips at least, but maybe that's a good thing. I like this shade, but I'm not sure that noticeable. Maybe that's a good thing. Wonder how many lip liners I have. Trying to find a good brown one for my lips. There's so many. They're all just a little bit off on the shade, all of them. I do have a beauty lipstick. Okay, I actually do love this. Natural, but there. Today it is Tuesday, and I just finished my work day. It was kind of crazy. I was so terrified because I was supposed to have my mid-year review. I mean, I did have my mid-year review, and I thought it was gonna go so bad, but it didn't. I have an Amazon package that I want to open, and it is a bag. Oh my god, this is beautiful. As you guys know, I ordered from DHgate 0 to 10. I've been trying to return one of the bags, and why is it so fucking difficult to make a return? Don't even talk to me about it. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I got this one from Amazon. Amazon has the same bags that DHgate has, but returning is so much better. So I got this one, and I am obsessed. I have been waiting. I bought the Frey boots, the dupes on Amazon. I know Target came out with some dupes. I don't know. I got my dupe from Amazon, and I've been waiting for fucking months. And these boots better fucking. Next day, same spot. Got one of the shoes. Apparently both of them got delivered, but the other package is nowhere to be found. That's something that people don't talk about when it comes to like living in a big building, is how fucking of a mess is like the packaging room. So which boots are these? Okay, these are like the dupes of the Frey boots. Ooh, oh, they look so nice, bitch. I know this like the same leather, but like who gives a fuck? These are They don't smell that bad either. Same as the bag. These are beautiful. I need to find the other box. I don't know where it got delivered, but they don't even fit like at all. My cuffs are like 15 inches. This is so sad. I'm gonna have to return them. I knew this could be a possibility, but they're so perfect. I've been waiting for these boots for so long, and they don't fit. My bed has storage underneath, right? And it has been making noises every time I sit on it. Not fun, not fun, not fun. I have so much fun. Okay, I got it. What the fuck? Like, I took things out of it. This is how, if you ever wonder what it looks like, this is how it looks like. That I bought that doesn't currently fit me. Isn't this so cute? Awesome, we fixed it. Oh, it smells so good. Just put my little Dairy Boy set. I love Dairy Boys so much. They're coming up with a new, I'm gonna do my Crocs. They're coming up with like a darker combo, even though I love this one. I have the sweatshirt, I have the hoodie, I have the sweatpants and the short on this pattern. I love it so much. And I think I'm gonna purchase the dark one as well, because the dark one is, I don't know, she has done an amazing job. Whoever her designers are on like this pattern, yes. Hi everyone, it is later in the day. It is 6 p.m. and I'm currently cooking wow, I haven't been able to talk lately. Butter noodles with Parmesan cheese and garlic powder. Why is the pasta already hot? Cold. So good. Good morning, everyone. Today it is Saturday and I wasn't able to vlog. I haven't been able to vlog because it's been super crazy at work and I'm just exhausted literally all the time. But today we're gonna go see my brother's house. Him and his fiance, they bought a house, so we're gonna go and see it. It is kind of far out from where we are right now. He lives like 10 minutes away from me currently. So let's get cleaning. I actually love this angle. You can see my coat, my closet. Cute. Let's start cleaning my bed because it is a mess. Okay, my bed looks so much better. I just need to put this away, but I'm too lazy already to do that. But we're doing progress. We're doing progress. I found my outfit. I wanted to be comfy and cute. Been trying to really put more effort in my outfits instead of wearing leggings and a hoodie, and I am so happy with my outfit today. I had to go through a few outfits, but I think I found it. I wanted to wear my boots. It is 60 degrees outside and beautiful, so I feel like this outfit is very appropriate. And I am obsessed with it. So my boxers are from Anthropology, my sweatshirt is Free People, and my boots are the ones from Amazon that are like a dupe of the Jeffrey Campbell ones. Color combination of this is so good. And then I was like, no, I was scrolling Pinterest, I was like, I can come up with a cute outfit. So finally put this on and I am obsessed. I think it's super cute, and then I'll wear like a bag or something. I'm currently waiting for my parents to get here. They should be on their way. I wear sunglasses as accessories on my head instead of my eyes. Anyone else?